How to remove Google Authenticator from Bitget. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Bitget application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the menu icon on the top left of your screen and further tap on the arrow icon beside your wallet option. You will then see the Google Authenticator option. Tap on that, and now to remove Google Authenticator from Bitget, tap on the Unbind Google Authenticator button you see there, and you will then be required to enter a verification code sent to your Google Authenticator. So, open Google Authenticator on your device and copy the code for Bitget, and now go back and open Bitget and paste it further, and with this your Google Authenticator will be removed from Bitget. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.